This is a young lady that's speaking about dating in Charlotte. I just want to put this out here before we get into this video. We're near or we're in that city right now. So I actually know if this person is lying or not. I just want to go ahead and put that out there. I got smoke for people that be lying. All right. I've never seen this young lady before. I don't know who she is. So, all right. So again, if she's lying, then we're going to call her out. I don't know who this young lady is. If y'all want to tag her, I don't care. Y'all already know. Listen, I got smoke for everybody. Equal accountability over here, baby. Let go. Here we go.
And I don't know if the men in Charlotte are broke or just stingy, but if you're trying to date in Charlotte, you better run, travel, or fly.
All right, let me go ahead and replay this thing.
I don't know if the men in Charlotte are broke or...
I want y'all, again, to take a look at this young lady. I don't know if the men in Charlotte are broke. Now, I'm trying to, maybe it's my computer screen. Let me see something. Do this young lady got like a half-done head trying to talk about something? Let me just make sure. I don't know. Maybe, you know what? Let me get up out of there. Maybe I'm tripping. But the issue is, let me go ahead and explain something to you, baby girl. The issue is not men in Charlotte being broke. Like, this is like one of the fastest growing cities, I want to say, in the U.S. There are plenty of millionaires, plenty of wealthy men here. The issue is not the men. It's not the guys. They're here. The issue is they're not checking for you. There's plenty of guys out there that got money, don't mind spending it on a young lady. But when you put TikToks out here like that, I guarantee if we go to this young lady's TikTok right now, it would probably be the prime example of why men, wealthy, or men that actually got their ish together, aren't checking for you. It's always a reason. Like, your digital footprint is everything, and y'all continue to F that up. You continue to mess it up by posting videos like this. And you really think, again, a man that is making the right decisions in his life, making the right investments, you know, surrounding himself with the right type of people, aren't checking your social media? Like, if I'm going to entertain a young lady, or I'm going to, you know, trying to holler at a young lady, you don't think that I'm going and I'm looking and I'm seeing stuff like this? No, yeah, nah. Bad investment. That is a bad freaking investment. Out here on TikTok talking about basically just bashing all the men in Charlotte. Yeah. Nah, I'm good, fam.
Just stingy, but if you're trying to date in Charlotte, you better run, travel, or fly.
What that's gonna do? That's not gonna change you no matter where you go. You still gonna be you. And I'm not saying this is this young lady in particular. I don't know her personally. But I will say this. If you got a loud mouth, if you are disrespectful, if you're putting out certain type of energy, no man in his right mind, no man that has his stuff together is going to be going after, chasing, or even trying to deal with the young lady outside of maybe just busting them down for a night. We here for a good time, not a long time. So yeah, they might do something with you, but you got to go in the morning, baby. I'm going to be honest with you. I'm going to go ahead and have you an Uber waiting on you at 6:30. As soon as that sun come up, hey, you got to dip. You got to go. But yeah, man, trying to bash men in Charlotte is a no-go. It's a no-go, man. It's not the guys.
Blueberry, Burberry, button-up, tan skin, mixed race, buttercup, Canada weather, got a bundle up. I'm tryna work, she hit my phone, she wanna, whoa.